Kayak in the water, the world feels slow. Cooler in the boat, nowhere to go. The wind at my back, and I just might stay floating through time like an endless day. Kayaking dives makes a splash and flies. The rhythm of the oars keeps the tempo alive. Seaweed drifts, whisper stories untold. The horizon blurs where the blue turns gold. A hammock of clouds stretched over the blue. Every stroke forward feels something new.